Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 3 Dash. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the AI-driven auto constraint tool inside Autodesk Fusion 360. By using this tool, you can automate your sketch dimensioning inside Fusion 360. Now you don't have to worry about dimensioning your sketch elements one by one. You can completely automate this task using this AI-driven feature. And now we're going to learn that how to use that tool. So here you can see inside Fusion 360, I had created a simple sketch just to demonstrate you. And right now we are inside the sketch environment. Here you can see. So there is one more thing. If you have the commercial license, then you will be able to see this feature over here inside the sketch palette. But if you are on a student license or in a hobbyist license, you will not be able to see this feature. So this feature is right now only available for commercial users only. Let's say we have this sketch, so you don't have to come out of the sketch. Now what you can do, instead of putting the dimension using this sketch dimension tool, you can simply click on this auto constraint tool. Here you can see, and the moment I clicked on the tool, here you can see this window just popped up, and right now it is generating a result for me, and that result will be all the possible dimensions scheme possible for this sketch. So it can take some time, I told you, because it's AI driven. It needs some time to calculate all the possible results. Within just few seconds, you can see this auto constraint feature has generated two different results for me. That is two different dimensioning schemes for me. Right now you can see the result one is selected, and you can notice the preview over here. So these are all the dimensions that is available in result one. So if I'll select this result one, these are all the dimensions that is going to be applied onto my sketch, onto my current active sketch. So now let's move on to this result 2, and let's see what are all the options available in result 2. So you can see in result 2, these are all the dimensions needed to completely define my sketch. So what I will do, first I will select the result 1, and then I will press OK to see what are all the dimension is getting applied to my sketch. So I selected the result 1, I will press OK, and within few seconds it will apply all these sketches, all these dimensions to my current sketch. So here you can see also my sketch is fully defined. So now if I'll go on to the sketch folder over here and expand it, you can see this red block icon. It says that my sketch is completely defined. So I had not provided any one of these dimensions manually. This was all generated using this AI feature, that is automate auto constraint. Here you can see. Now if I want to change this dimension, let's say I want to change this to 25 only, so I can just double click on it, and I can also edit it. I will press enter, and you will see the complete design just got updated. So this feature is really very useful if you want to explore, if you want to automate your sketch dimensions and everything. Because I had seen there are so many people who are getting confused in completely defining their sketches. Now if you are working on some assemblies or some components, or having some bodies or assemblies having multiple components, then you have to be your sketches completely defined. So it's really very important. And if you are on commercial license, then definitely you should check out this feature and start using this feature into your Fusion 360 workflow. So let me know in the comment below if this feature is useful for you or not, and also subscribe to my channel, like my videos. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you.